Welcome! Today I tell you how to make lasagna. Let's start! Ingredients for the ragu: a carrot, celery, 2 onions, garlic, nutmeg, and bay leaves. Then we have pepper, tomato sauce, olive oil, salt, mincing knife, spoon, a pot, and minced meat. Now we have to chop the vegetables. And then we mix everything together. Now we pour the oil in the pot. And then we add vegetables. Now we turn on the fire and we put the pot on a slow heat. We put the meat in the pot. Then we add a pinch of salt and pepper. Now we pour white wine and we grate nutmeg. After we add tomato sauce. We stir and brown. The ingredients for the bechamel sauce are salt, flour, milk, butter, and a spoon. We put the butter in the flour and we pour the milk. Now we add a pinch of salt. And we put the pot on a fire on a slow heat until it blends. The ingredients for the dough are 5 eggs, flour, and olive oil. Now we break the eggs. And then we beat the eggs. And we pour the eggs in the flour. And we knead. Then we cut the dough and we flatten the dough with the pasta machine. Now we pour the dough in the boiling water and immediately afterward into cold water. Then we dry it. Now we grate the cheese. Now we put the ragu in the baking dish. And then we put the dough. After we put cheese and bechamel sauce on the top. Now let's turn on the oven. And then we put the lasagna inside. Enjoy your meal!